How many times have you faced the power down situation in your home? We're sure that would have been many. Rockpals 300-watt portable generator can run all your home appliances when you have sudden power outages, so your life stops for nothing. This kneaded beauty machine works noise-free and without fumes of any kind, keeping you absolutely safe. Rockpals portable generator is best suitable for outdoor trips. If camping is in your schedule, you cannot leave without this important piece of machinery. Rockpals is really easy to load and unload. It's lightweight. You can charge this portable generator through a wall outlet or by car. But our personal favorite is solar charging. You can even charge all your electronic devices, like laptop and mobile, as it's equipped with a 280 Wh lithium battery. There won't be any interruption in the fun, as your music will last long till you exhaust. Time to take a rest. But Rockpals is with you steady as a rock. Light your home, camps, picnics, and holidays with Rockpals, your best companion anywhere you go.